Tucked away in the heart of Chickasaw County, Iowa, this exceptional 44-acre riverfront property offers a rare opportunity to create your own private retreat with breathtaking views of Crane Creek. Perched high above the water, this property features an ideal building site, completely out of the floodplain, giving you the peace of mind to build without worry. The existing home sits on an expansive yard, offering plenty of space for outdoor activities, while multiple insulated outbuildings provide endless possibilities for storage, workshops, or additional use. For nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts, this land is teeming with wildlife. A mix of mature and young timber creates perfect bedding areas, attracting deer, turkeys, and other game throughout the year. One of the standout features of this property is its direct riverfront access. Whether you enjoy fishing, kayaking, or simply relaxing along the serene flow of Crane Creek, this land offers the perfect outdoor escape. Whether you're searching for a secluded getaway, a prime hunting property, or the perfect spot to build your dream home, these 44 acres provide endless opportunities. With privacy, stunning river views, and a prime location in Chickasaw County, this is a property you don't want to miss. For more information or to schedule a private tour, contact Nick Hopp at 319-240-6121 or visit highpointlandcompany.com today.